What's the meaning of Clause 28? Clause 28. Clause 28.
Clause 28. Clause 28. Clause 28, also known as Section 28, was a controversial amendment to the Local Government Act in the UK that prohibited local authorities from promoting homosexuality. The amendment was introduced in 1988 and repealed in 2003. It was widely criticized by LGBTQ+ rights groups, who argued that it perpetuated discrimination and stigmatization of queer individuals. The consequences of the clause were significant, including less support for LGBTQ+ students and increased stigma and harassment. The repeal of Clause 28 was seen as a victory for LGBTQ+ rights in the UK.